The program is very well paced and gives you the right results in a relatively short period of time. I'm a portfolio manager at Stran Capital, which is a family office focusing on investments in public equities in tech and biotech space. I started to look at the top universities who are specializing in this field, and MIT naturally came as one of the top, on the top of the list. And from the MIT website, I discovered the Great Learning Program. The program really helps me in day-to-day conversations with the management of the technology and biotech companies I'm considering investing in. And specifically, it helps me understand whenever the technologies that they are using are feasible, or in some cases to catch them off guard when they are stretching the truth about their abilities to execute in the data science field. The faculty is naturally a top-notch, and you don't expect anything else from MIT professors, I think. The lectures themselves were well-structured, well-run, and very much to the point. The fact that the lectures were 2 hours during the working days, it was perfectly manageable. You can always find those 2 hours, and the actual coding exercises were not overly cumbersome, so those could be done over weekends. The program is very well paced and gives you the right results in a relatively short period of time, and gives a great foundation for any future studies.